Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this zoom in and out intro video in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your video, and at the start add a white background like this, so before the clip. And after that, click on the clip, the first clip or the clip that you want to put in intro, and set it as overlay. Put it under the white background like this, and after that add a keyframe at the start, then move forward a bit, add another keyframe, and here zoom out the clip like this. Go to the end of the clip and add other two keyframes at the end, and on the last keyframe put the video size back to normal like this. Okay, now in between the keyframes, click on grab and add the ease out one on each grab like this. Click on a check icon and just export this and open it in a new project. Click on the arrow up. Okay, so I've already opened it in a new project like this. Now go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category and find the play pendulum effect. Scroll down until you find the play pendulum. Okay, this one's right here. Click on adjust and set the intensity to only 15 and twist to 0. Click on the check icon and set it for the entire clip. Now add another keyframe, but this is add another video effect. This is optional. So add this black flash effect, but you can always adjust the speed to your liking. I'm going to go with 80 and I'm going to lower the intensity. Now go back, click on the check icon and set it for the entire clip. Now this is the result. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.